Man, why is it every damn time I start shooting a video, you got fire engines, ambulances, the whole 9 yards going off in the background, jet planes overhead, neighbor's gonna crank up his lawnmower. Shit, what else can go wrong? Okay guys, let's try this one more time. All right, so legend in the background, I'm Mike, living with 3M. And as you can see, I got the tail lights finished up. I customized them. I made another video on that, so please check that out. A buddy of mine, Coyote Mike, shout out to you, brother, out in Texas. He mentioned to me in the comments, he was like, now it's time to address the top cab lights, third brake light, and or cargo lights. And I was like, yeah, you're right about that. I've got the LEDs in there, but it's clear now, and the tail lights are red and black tinted. So I'm like, yeah, it's time to do some customization on that. So we're not going to do the VHT on that, the nightshades. Got an idea for you guys. You would definitely want to stick around for this. Okay, so you guys know that I used the custom bezels and I did the VHT nightshades on the backup, reverse lights, and the reflector, which turned out really well, and I'm pleased. I don't want to use the VHT nightshades on that because the sun beats down on the top of the cab, and I just don't want to have a lot of wear and it look faded over the course of a year or two. So I've got a really neat trick that I've learned, that I can remove that light and fill it with super clean, and it will actually eat the chrome off of the inside. So it will tint it from the inside. It will remove the chrome, so you will not see that clear look, and it'll give the appearance that it is tinted. All right, so I went ahead and took that off, took those 4 bolts or screws out. So but you can see the chrome inside there. So we're gonna see how the reflective chrome is inside that. So we're gonna darken this up with the super clean. Okay, so what we're gonna do is fill this with the degreaser, and you can tell on my light the bottoms are open, which makes it a little more difficult to get the reflective. There's reflective material on the backs of this, and with that open, it doesn't hold the degreaser, so you keep having to use your finger or a cloth, and it's eating away at the chrome as we speak. Okay, there is the finished product, and you can see how dark it is inside there. All of that was chrome is now black. So we'll see what it looks like installed. Okay, there's the finished product, and you can see how dark these are. It's just a little bit lighter, but it is still dark. Those are LEDs that are lit up, and I definitely like it. So you can see how dark, yeah, the tinted look without the VHT nightshades. All right guys, so that's going to conclude this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. It means a lot. That bell notification lets you know upcoming videos that I'm releasing. I'm trying to do 1 a week, sometimes twice a week, depending on the mods and the funds, if it'll allow. But that third brake light, cargo light, dechroming, it's not a tint. So if you guys will check me out check all the videos out I've made so far. I'm gonna keep pushing them out, man, and I sure appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.